This short video shows you how to assign static surfaces in a rotating region smart part in SimCenter Flowtherm XT. This feature allows you to define static parts within a rotating assembly. Firstly, right-click and select Properties on the rotating region smart part in the tree and open its property sheet. A rotating body has already been defined in this model. To assign static parts, click on the static surface box and select appropriate faces. To confirm your choice, click on the tick. An alternative method of selecting is using the Remember Selection tool. To show this, some of the parts in the model are hidden. Multi-select appropriate faces and click Remember Selection in the ribbon toolbar. Open the property sheet of the rotating region smart part in the tree. Click on the Static Surfaces box and click on Restore Selection. Your selection of parts will be copied into the box. To confirm your choice, click on the tick and hide any parts of the model that were hidden. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website.